This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials. Both devices use the same Apple ID, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on, and iCloud is signed in. Open System Settings on the Mac and Settings on the iPhone, then enable the iCloud services you want to sync. Once done, place devices close together and unlock them. Make sure the Mac is discoverable and the iPhone allows pairing prompts. This first action gets the link established, so the system can negotiate secure syncing and permissions automatically. Now you configure exactly what moves between devices. On the Mac, go to System Settings, Apple ID, iCloud and toggle Photos, Contacts, Calendars, and other apps. On the iPhone, mirror those choices under Settings and your name. Next, connect the iPhone to the Mac and open Finder to enable device backups and folder syncing over USB or Wi-Fi. This ensures files, app data, and backups transfer. Make sure both devices finish any pending uploads, so changes don't conflict later. Finish by confirming sync integrity. Create a test photo, contact, and note, then verify they appear on both devices. Use Finder Backups and iCloud. Com to inspect synced files and recent backups. This helps confirm restorability. If sync stalls or items don't show, sign out and back into iCloud, restart both devices, and ensure sufficient iCloud storage. Additionally, check that both OS versions are compatible. If problems persist, disconnect and reconnect the devices, then rerun the backup and sync process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.